we are going to create the calculator fragment, which will be the main view of our application. So we're gonna right click this, the calculator app.droid folder, and we're gonna add a new file. So we're just gonna click Android and Fragment. And we're just gonna type calculator here. Okay. So one of the changes we're gonna make is we're gonna be using, so wherever it says fragment, we're gonna be using the Android support.v4 app fragment instead. This works inside our app compact activity. So when we do fragment transitions. And as you know, this is from our get components when we added those libraries. So now this fragment is now a Android support v4. So now that we have this created, inside of here, we're going to need to return our own view, which is stated here. So we're going to have to create a layout for our fragment.